Hey y'all, so this video we're actually going to be using this ribbon, which you're probably not used to using. This is actually floral ribbon. This is what's often used in gift baskets, wedding pew bows. It's used in cemetery work, and it's very different. It's plasticky, but it's very stiff. So there's a real technique to using this kind of ribbon and to have it come out looking great. So we're going to, and I think it's very important that you understand how to work with different ribbons. So this one we are going to do a little bit different. It is going to be by hand, and I'm going to pan down and show you how we do it. Okay, so this is similar to the easy bow that we make with one ribbon. It is a little bit different. So generally speaking, 6-inch loops are about the standard. So we're just going to do 6 inches here. We're going to fold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're going to fold it 10 times. All right, trim that off. Now, this is what's different. Usually, we're going to fold it in half and cut a slit. This ribbon is actually a little bit easier if you do this. So you're going to cut an edge off this side. Okay. Then you're going to cut an edge off this side. Make sure you leave enough. And then you're going to open it up and you're going to put these two ends together. Now you can kind of ignore the tails, and you can use zip ties or you can use wire. You can really use anything you want. It's just strictly up to you. Since we are doing a pew bow, I think I'm actually just going to go ahead and use my zip tie. I just like to use zip ties. I just find that I can get a better fluff on my bows if I use zip ties. All right, so what you're going to do is you're just going to pull it out and twist it. Okay. So this is not wired ribbon. Pull and twist. Pull and twist. Pull and twist. Okay, pull and twist, pull and twist, pull and twist. So the trick with this is to pull it up and twist it. That's what's going to make it stand up. You want to actually pick it up and twist it. Okay, because that's like, this is like you're fluffing the bow, you're twisting it, and what that does is that's going to make it stand on that little center. So it's very important that it's twisted or it's going to flop over like this. Okay. So the reason this is often used in weddings and in funerals and things like that is because this is ribbon that you can get in bulk. It is weatherproof, which of course a lot of ribbon is weatherproof now, but in the beginning a lot were not. So you can see how pretty a bow it makes. Just like this. Alright, so what I usually do after this is I will cut a tail, another tail, a longer tail, I'll say 26 inches. All right. I can go ahead and dovetail this. I am going to pinch it, and yes, I'm going to cut just a tiny slit in each side. There we go. Okay, I can go ahead and dovetail these. All right, now what I'll do is I will cut off my zip tie. I will take this, I'm going to put this on the bottom. Now I'm going to take a little wire. You don't need a lot. I got way more than I need, but that's okay. And then I'm just going to go right through the center and tie on this tail. But you can hear this ribbon is very different. So tie it on. And then remember, when you put it out, you just take it and you turn until they stand up where you want them to. And these are great for pews. They're great for, you know, weddings. They're great for funerals, packages, gift bags, anything of that nature. You can make the loops bigger or smaller. And this ribbon you can get in pretty large amounts. All right. So don't be intimidated by the ribbon just because it's so different. All you really have to do is know the technique to use with the ribbon, and then you end up with an excellent bow. You see how easy that is? It's just as easy as knowing how to cut it and then twist it to get your loops in place. All right, I'll see you in the next one.